Hi everybody. Okay, what we got here? I've tried to do a LCD without the PCF 8574, which is this chip. See, this is it's a PCF 8574, which is a chip that only gets four pins. Okay, and it's got a potentiometer to adjust the screen contrast. These are the numbers, the pin that you can use if you don't have this one. Okay, so there we are. I had a screen, one of the first that I bought some time ago, and it didn't have the PCF 8574, so it's a lot of wiring, look like a spaghetti ball. So in any case, I put a potentiometer here, and if you look at the pins, the potentiometer goes on the VO. The VO is a pot there. Then it's got all these wires that go into right to the back, and at the end it's got the cathode. I don't know if you can see here the cathode, A and K, the last two pins, that the K must be grounded and the A can be put it on the positive volt. Okay, this is a cathode, and so when it's like an LED, it's one positive and one negative. All right. So, and as you can see here, the VSS is grounded. The VDD is 5 volt. The VO is the pot. Then you have the RW. And then you have obviously the RS, reset, the E, and all the way through. On the Arduino Nano, you see, which is quite easy. There's not much code in here, but all it does, it's adjust the it's a lot of contrast test. That's a maximum. Yeah, I would have thought you get more with but then yeah. Okay, let's see the coding. It's pretty easy. Coding is okay, it's included the liquid crystal, so you don't need much. And here you put all your numbers, which I use 12, 11, 5. You can use, I'll show you after. And then that's it. There's nothing. The contrast, ICD print a contrast. That's pretty. What you can do as well is here, where you see the K, the cathode, if you want to control the backlight, then I would unplug this one on the A, okay, and put a wire that goes all the way down to maybe number 9, one of these pin, a PWM pin would be the best, because you need to, practically you can adjust the backlight with the pot if you add to number 9 or another pin around here, and you remove this one. And just okay, this was a quick one, so nothing fancy. Thank you guys, have a good day.